How to use dynamic range compression in AudioDirector. First of all, open AudioDirector on your computer and launch the project that contains the audio you want to enhance. Next, go to the Apply Effect section and select the Dynamics Range Control tool. You will see options such as threshold, ratio, attack, release, and gain. Adjust the threshold to set the level at which compression begins and use the ratio to determine how much the audio will be compressed above that threshold. Attack controls how quickly the compressor reacts to loud sounds, while release sets how fast it stops compressing after the sound drops below the threshold. Finally, use gain to make up for any reduction in volume. Always use the preview option to listen while adjusting the settings, ensuring your audio maintains clarity and natural dynamics. Once satisfied with the compression, click Apply to save the changes to your track. Now you know how to use dynamic range compression in AudioDirector. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.